Hi guys, and today we're going to be doing date flapjack. See you in a bit. Right, flapjack contains butter, which we'll put into a bowl. Dry ingredients is sugar, oats, and chopped up dates. Put that into the bowl. Next stage, into the butter. You can use margarine, dash of golden syrup. And that's it. We'll pop that onto the microwave and see you in a bit. Hi guys, I've melted down the butter and the golden syrup. Pop that into the mixed bowl. Next stage, use your beater. Get to the bottom, all round, get in there. And then we literally pop that onto a machine for about a minute, just to mix in properly. Empty the machine out, there we go. First one. Right guys, let's go from the machine bowl. Next stage. Give a good shake out the bowl. Use a scraper, scrape the rest out. And that can be reused in the bowl for more flapjacks. Right. So easy to make these flapjacks. None of this rubbishy putting it on stoves and cooking it up. It's just a straightforward, easy to do flapjack. And there you go, all pressed out. There you go, all ready to be baked. Hi guys, and the next stage is baking the flapjacks. And oven temperature is around about 375 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Load up the oven. We'll see you in a bit when they're baked. There are guys, all out and baked. Hi guys, we're back with the date slice, the date flapjack. Just cut the edges off. Mark it up. Oh, make sure you've got a really sharp knife. It's worth paying a few extra pennies to get the better knife that lasts longer. And just because they say lifetime guarantee, it's only lifetime until you break it.